Happy Halloween, you nutty kids! Did you guys really think that there wouldn't be a Halloween special on this channel? Of course my self-inflicted Truman Show had to have one. It had to! I live for Halloween. I love to dress up. Ugh! And everybody knows the best part of any kind of like show series is the Halloween episode. So here we are. I spent all night last night making a costume.
Oh no. Oh no, no. Oh god. Okay, we're just gonna sand it, as the kids say.
How important do you think it is that the edges are straight? I don't really know how to sew that well. You're gonna see that in the costume. But I tried because it's important. Halloween is important. Before anyone gets all up in arms over the title, Steven, I'm looking at you. Calm yourself. One of these days, I just really want there to be someone named Steven out there just judging me, just being a little bit of a Judge Judy on the other side of the screen. And I just want him to feel like called out, like, oh my gosh, you know I know, Steven. Keep it to yourself. Anyways, obviously, you can wear a sexy Halloween costume at any size. You can be sexy at any size. Sexy is not a number on the scale. It is a mindset, I guess. I don't know. However, I have never been that person. I have never worn like a skimpy little Halloween costume. Last year for Halloween, I was Paul Blart Mall Cop. But you know what? We decided this year we're gonna like switch it up. We're gonna like try to be a little saucy, you know, because we lost 40 pounds. So I figured that this video will be just me prancing around in my Halloween costume and doing a little segment I like to call getting a healthy recipe off the internet and not following the directions at all. So yeah, let's do it.
I'm a goofy goober!
Okay, let's make this bread. And by that I mean let's make this pumpkin bread. I didn't altogether think this through or anything, obviously. So I might have to cut some thumb holes. God. All right. I'm wondering, okay, like this is bad because like the costume, if you can't tell that I'm pink and wearing these shorts, kind of looks like a certain group of individuals who are into diversity. I'm Patrick Starr, for those of you who don't know. And today we're gonna be making pumpkin bread. So let's, oh, every time. My armpits are just busting out. Oh, okay, scrolling down. Mixing out of the ads. I just need to know, like, why, okay, if you're a food blogger, why do you need like 15 paragraphs before the recipe? Why? So annoying. Okay, we're to the ingredients. Like I said, we're gonna look at the recipe and then not follow it. I think that I can make it better. Oh my God. Okay, work. Okay, so the deal is, if this recipe turns out good, I'll share the recipe. And if it does not turn out good, it won't be in the description of this video. So, what I thought I would do instead of following the recipe, because it calls for like a bunch of maple syrup, is I could displace some of that with this amazing Quest Cinnamon Crunch protein powder, because we baked with protein before and it was kind of good, kind of fresh. I have something stuck to my shoe. It's the label that says that I'm size 8 shoe. Okay, so this recipe is calling for us to brown butter. We've never done that before, so pray for us. Really? So what are you guys being for Halloween? Anything good? Anything interesting? I love seeing everyone's Halloween costumes. I love Halloween in general. I love getting dressed up. I love like putting on a costume and being flamboyant. However, I don't like going to parties. The egg on my knee. Upon further inspection of the instructions, I realized that I already did like 15 things wrong, so we're just gonna wing it. Delicious. Bake for 50 to 65 minutes. What the hell? Hey Google, set a timer for 50 minutes.
Okay, 50 minutes. Starting now.
Thanks Google, you sly bastard. Oh, we are over today. Let's take a load off. Boots still don't fit my calves. So like some things will never change. Let's take these off though, because they're terrible. How do people wear things like this? Since it's spooky season, should we talk about what we're afraid of? You go first. What I'm afraid of is pretty much everything. It would be a shorter list to tell you what I'm not afraid of. I'm afraid of the dark. I'm afraid of mountain lions. I'm afraid of bears. I'm afraid of wolves. Colorado's recently voting on whether to reintroduce wolves to our wilderness. And that's scary to me because that's just another animal I could be like potentially mauled by. It's like bad enough to get mauled by one animal, you know, a mountain lion or a bear. I pictured like that fight to be like one-on-one if I was approached by them in the wild. However, wolves run in a pack. So like not only would I be mauled by one animal, it would be a group of animals. So I don't even know why that's a vote. That seems like a hard no to me. What else am I afraid of? I'm afraid of connecting with another human being. I'm afraid of basements. Like I'm 28 and I still run up the stairs fast as I can from the basement because it feels like something's chasing me. Oh, monkeys creep me out. Aliens are pretty scary. Zombies. I know those aren't real, but like, well, I don't know. Aliens could be real. Let's not turn this into that conversation. Ghosts are a little bit scary. Okay, leave in the comments because I want to read them and I'm very curious. Like, what's the scariest thing that ever happened to you? Have you ever had like a ghost encounter or anything like that? I haven't had too many scary things happen to me. I really look like a starfish in this one. I'm starfishing. Sometimes I feel weird attraction to objects. Like I have this Porky Pig thing that I found at the Ark, the secondhand store. It was $8. I was like, why do I want this so bad? I eventually got it. It's in the closet in the workout room now. I should go show you. It's pretty scary. But for whatever reason, I really wanted this thing. And so I think that it's haunted a little bit. And it scares me. I used to have it in my room. And at night, I'd wake up in the middle of the night and like look at it. And it would just be looking at me back with its eyes. This is a closet of my workout room. A lot of you guys are like, you just have a whole empty room to work out in? And I'm like, well, I just shoved everything in the closet and got rid of everything that wouldn't fit in the closet. So, now you know. Yeah, but I think that thing's haunted. There's something not right. Spooky. Okay, well, I'll stop chatting your ear off about things that don't matter, that you're probably not interested in, and I'll let you know how the loaf turns out. It's done, and I just pulled it out of the oven. Bitch, did we just make pumpkin bread? Look at that. It's beautiful. Now the question is, does it taste beautiful as well? Oh my God. So I went to get a slice and I saw this in there. You see that white bit? It's burning the shit out of me. That's an eggshell. Anyways, we took it out. Hot. It's really good. And I calculated the calories for it and I'll pop them on the screen because I don't remember. I think it's like 199 calories and I don't remember the macros, but it tastes bomb. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will leave this recipe down below because it is really good. Let me know if you guys try it, if you guys like it. Let me know your spooky stories and have a happy Halloween. And I'll see you on the next one for our regularly scheduled programming. Bye!